This is 1225 South Oneida Street, Unit 226 in Denver. Enter the front door. You've got a nice spacious living area and dining area. Lots of natural sunlight. Here we've got the kitchen with stainless steel appliances. And out here, you have a shared garage. This would be your parking space. You will receive a garage door opener. And there's even some storage in here. You'll get one spot in that parking garage. Go around the corner. Got a powder room with a washer and dryer. Coat closet outside. We'll go up the stairs. Carpeting in here is almost brand new. Got a full bath upstairs. The shower tub combo. A linen closet with built-in shelves. It's a second bedroom here. Beautiful shutters on the windows. Tons of great sunlight. And a nice walk-in closet. Sorry, that's actually the primary bedroom. This is your water heater. Then here we've got the secondary bedroom. More shutters and great sunlight. Nice size room, very new carpet, very clean. And a nice closet.